Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to easily delete Snapchat AI chat data on iPhone and Android. Snapchat AI makes conversations more fun and interactive, but sometimes you may want to remove your chat history for privacy or simply to start fresh. So whether it's personal preferences, sensitive information, or just keeping your account clutter-free, managing your AI chat data is pretty important. Luckily, Snapchat allowed you to delete AI chat data on both iPhone and Android devices quickly and securely. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device, and then you have to hit the Snapchat profile at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down to the privacy control section and tap on the clear data option. Then you have to tap on delete my AI data and make sure to confirm the action when prompted in the menu. And that's pretty much it. It's worth pointing out that all your data from the past conversations with my AI will be deleted from Snapchat's servers. However, it will not include visible or saved content. You can delete visible or saved content by long pressing on the message in individual conversations. Deleting your Snapchat AI chat data is a simple way to protect your privacy and keep your account perfectly organized. Whether you use an iPhone or an Android device, following these steps ensures your conversations are permanently removed from the app. Regularly managing your AI chat data not only keeps your account clean but also gives you peace of mind while enjoying all the features Snapchat AI has to offer. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy but hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.